This is a Janitrol GMP 75,000 BTU furnace. It's an older model. If you go to replace the gas valve on here, this valve that's on here, they actually don't make it anymore, but that doesn't mean that you have to get another furnace. You could replace it with a different valve. So this valve that's on here is a White Rogers. It's an older model. This is a newer model here, but you can replace this valve. This is simply a 2-wire 24-volt wire valve, and so is this. And it could be White Rogers or it could be Honeywell. It doesn't make a difference as long as it's a 2-wire 24-volt valve. Single stage valve is all you need. There's an arrow on this. You have to make sure it's going the right direction. You know, you would simply take the screws out, disconnect your gas line, and take it right out. Just spin this off, spin the new one on, remount the manifold, and you're back in business. So the purpose of this video is just to let you know, if you cannot find this specific valve, they don't make this valve anymore. You can just get a 2-wire 24-volt valve. It could be Honeywell, it could be White Rogers. It does not make a difference. This is 1/2 inch in, 1/2 inch out. Some of the newer valves will be 3/4, 3/4, but they give you bushing, so you can reduce it down to 1/2 inch. And that's all you got to do.